Hi guys, and I'm doing the no color challenge today. So, let's see what colors. Green and blue. Okay, let's go. So, I'm not gonna be like those other YouTubers where they say, if someone likes, the colors change it. No, it's just those two colors only. And yeah, that's set in stone. There's no other people in this lobby. It's just me. Yeah, so I can't touch green and blue. This is technically yellow. Even if it looks green, it's yellow. I'm counting from the... hold up. I mean, yeah, so you guys didn't see anything. So yeah, come up here, drop down right here. Come down here. Okay. Then go like this. So I can't touch those. I don't... Okay. Forest might be a little bit tricky because of all the green in here. Okay, where should I go? I'm only doing majority color, so this right here. Majority color is actually brown. I'm just not gonna touch the big green spots. Because the big green spots is obviously just green. Like dead grass parts. Okay, okay. Hopefully this is possible. It might be a little bit harder in mountains to do. This is just lighting right here, because lighting does not count. Okay. So I cannot touch blue. Yeah, I gotta do this. Get that out of my hand. See, look, no one's in the lobby. Just to prove that. And I saw YouTubers doing this and they're like, oh, I have to go up this way. Now I'm going up this way because it's the smartest move. Okay. Oh my gosh. And, oh, come on. I made it. Let's go. Bye, guys. Yeah, bye-bye.